Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy and quick breakfast recipe which even bachelors can make this as a filling breakfast in lockdown. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, also known as atta. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and mix it lightly, and then add in 1/4 cup water. Lightly mix the flour and then add in another 1/4 cup water and mix well into a dough. Just the way you need atta to make roti. Once it has been gathered into a dough, add in half teaspoon desi ghee and mix it well into a soft dough. Should be kneaded to a very soft dough. Divide the dough into 6 equal sized portions. Drizzle half teaspoon desi ghee on a plate and grease the plate with desi ghee. Take each small dough and roll again with your hands and then place it on the greased plate. Drizzle half tablespoon desi ghee over each dough and lightly coat the dough in the desi ghee. Make sure that each dough is well coated in desi ghee. Cover it with a cotton napkin and let it rest for 15 minutes. While it is resting, let's get the other ingredients ready. I have chopped 1 onion finely, 2 green chillies and a handful of coriander leaves. Into a bowl, I have added 3 eggs. Add in half teaspoon black pepper powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix all this really well. Next, add in the finely chopped onion, green chillies and coriander leaves. Again mix this and keep it aside. Now let's check on the atta dough. To check whether the dough is ready, make sure that it does not stick to your finger. So what it does was, while the dough was resting, the desi ghee prevented any moisture from releasing out. So when you put your finger into the dough, you can see that the dough does not stick to your fingers, and that means the dough is ready. To roll out the dough, I am lightly greasing the work surface with desi ghee, and then I am placing one dough and I am flattening the dough as I am showing in the video. And make sure your hand is well greased. Fold the dough from 4 sides and flatten it with hand into a square shape. Do this process twice. Make sure your hand is well seasoned as you are using only your hand to flatten the roti out. No rolling pin or balun is needed to roll out the dough. Flatten the dough as thinly as possible, preferably into a square shape. Little tear or gaps on the flattened dough doesn't matter much. Once it is rolled out, carefully remove it and place it on the hot tawa. Little cracks or tears on the roti is okay. Now after 20 seconds, carefully flip the roti over. Place 1.5 ladderful of the egg mixture in the center and fold 2 sides first and again fold the other 2 sides. It should be like a square packet. Remember that the flame is on the lowest. Let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. No extra oil or ghee is needed. Now while it is getting cooked, let's roll one more and keep it ready. After about 2 minutes, flip the roti over and let that side cook as well for another 2 minutes. And in the meantime, the other roti is ready to cook. After 2 minutes, flip it over. And if one side is not cooked well, you can do like I am showing. You can make sure that all the 4 sides of the roti are cooked this way. Once done, remove it to a plate. You can also half cook and store this in the fridge for later use. If by any chance the egg mixture leaks out, keep it like that without pressing down with the spatula. Once the egg inside has cooked, you can flip it over. Remember, low heat is very important. Just in case you're wondering whether the egg mix has cooked well, you can see how well it has been cooked. This egg paratha is more easier than the traditional egg paratha which we usually make. This egg paratha is easy to make in the mornings. It's easy to carry to work. After the lockdown, It can be enjoyed as a filling evening snack for children. If you have half cooked the egg paratha, you can store in the fridge and heat it up before serving. So, guys, do try this healthy egg paratha and let me know how it turned out. And I hope all of you are staying safe at home. And together, let's flatten the curve. Thank you for watching. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.